Git workflow for serverless applications. What is a Git workflow for serverless applications? A Git workflow for serverless applications is the structured process teams use to manage cloud function code and infrastructure safely using Git. It defines how functions are developed, how bugs are fixed, how deployments are prepared, how production environments are protected, why it matters for serverless functions run in production instantly. One bug affects all users. Cloud resources cost money. Deployments happen frequently. So workflow equals safety plus automation plus reliability. Why serverless applications need a proper Git workflow? Serverless projects usually include function code, Lambda, functions, cloud functions, API gateway configs, environment variables, infrastructure files, YAML, Terraform, SAM, serverless.yml, without workflow, cross-mark broken functions, cross-mark failed deployments, cross-mark security risks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark hard rollbacks. With workflow, check mark stable deployments, check mark easy debugging, check mark predictable releases, check mark safer production, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for serverless applications. Common structure. Main means production-ready functions. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepared deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user sign-up function. Feature, image processor. Release, version 1.3.0. Hotfix, payment webhook. Why? Protects live cloud functions. Supports parallel development. Enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Serverless teams. For each feature, create branch from develop. Implement function logic. Update config files. Write tests. Run functions locally. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky function code. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark edit main directly. Cross-mark deploy without testing. Good practice. Check mark one function per branch. Check mark one feature per branch. Pull requests in serverless projects. PRs are used to review function logic, review ing permissions, run automated tests, check environment configs, validate API contracts. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked ticket, check mark test results, check mark deployment notes. Why? Prevents broken APIs, improves security, documents changes. Bad PR. Cross-mark huge PR. Cross-mark no tests. Cross-mark no explanation. Commit strategy for serverless applications. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add user registration Lambda. Fix webhook timeout bug. Refactor image resize function. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Done. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean history, daily workflow in serverless teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, write function code, test locally, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps functions isolated, keeps cloud stable. Hotfix workflow for serverless applications. When production fails, create hotfix branch from main. Fix function bug. Test thoroughly. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat bugs. Example: hotfix, email sender timeout. Release strategy for serverless applications. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze new features. Run integration tests. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 2.1.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Serverless teams. Review focuses on function logic, security permissions, cloud resource usage, performance, error handling, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer bugs, lower cloud costs, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in serverless workflow. Automation should run unit tests, run lint checks, package functions, deploy to staging, deploy to production. On every PR, run tests, run security scans, validate templates. Why? Prevents broken deployments, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, AWS Code Pipeline, Azure DevOps. Common serverless Git mistakes: direct commits to main, no feature branches, no tests, over-permissioning, no version tags. Why? Risky deployments, hard debugging, security issues, naming conventions, branches, feature, user auth, feature, file upload, release, version 1.5.0, hotfix, API timeout, commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix API gateway timeout. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps serverless projects scale. As serverless grows, more functions, more developers, more APIs, more users. Good workflow. Check mark keeps code organized. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark controls cloud complexity. Real life analogy. Serverless Git workflow is like airport control system. Without system, chaos. With system, safe flights. Branches equals terminals. PRs equals security checks. Main equals live runway. In simple words, serverless Git workflow means build carefully, test functions, review changes, deploy safely. Best strategy for serverless applications. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoxide CD automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In serverless applications, your code runs directly in the cloud. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.